Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Today we are going to be talking about a brand new product that is hitting the shelves this week. And these are the new Hi-Fi Shine lip glosses from Urban Decay. I believe they are supposed to release on the 15th, which will be tomorrow. So Urban Decay was actually kind enough to send this to me, and you guys, the colors look so beautiful. So I wanted to do a full lip swatch video of all the shades on my lips, as always, that way you can see them applied. But really quick before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. And also make sure that you do hit that bell notification so that way you're part of the notification squad. But yeah, I'm very excited to dive into these. Just to give you guys a sneak peek, let me show you these shades. Bam! So anyways, let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so first off, let me talk about the packaging this came in. It's so cute. So they sent over this box right here that just has a bunch of like cassette and radios on it. And then it had a little emblem right here that says Hi-Fi and UD on it for Urban Decay. And actually, when you pop it off, it is a mirror. So I think that's so awesome. They sent over, I'm pretty sure, their entire line. And then also they have different finishes. I'm pretty sure some of them are holographic shades. So we will be swatching these one by one on the lips today, like I said earlier. And yeah, I'm really excited. We'll dive into the swatches, and then afterwards I'll talk a little bit more about the product and my final thoughts on the glosses. So let's go ahead and dive into the swatches. So, all about the lip glosses. These are supposed to be a Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss that is ultra shiny, glides on, cushiony soft, and provides a long-lasting wear that's comfortable and not tacky. It's laced with vitamin E and peppermint oil. Our hydrating formula leaves the lips feeling nourished. It has an immediate plumping effect that comes in a yummy vanilla mint flavor. And it says, wait till you see our lineup. Whatever gloss frequency you're on, we've got you covered. We have metallic, holographic, cream, and sheer cream. So what I'll say is all those claims are definitely true. I mean, it does feel a little bit tingly. I guess that's plumping your lips. But they are so, so comfortable. I guess with the oil that they have in the lip gloss, it makes it where it's like you're wearing a thicker type oil on your lips, but very, very comfortable. As you can see, there's no stickiness, there's no tackiness. It just feels really good on the lips. Now, these obviously aren't like super, super, super pigmented. It's not one of those like one swipe and it looks like a liquid lipstick. And I like that because they are very buildable. As you can see, some of the ones that I swatched, I would put on like a couple layers. That way you guys could see them. I like that because sometimes I really want like a look of a stain or just like a glossy balm. I don't want it to be too like bam in your face pigmented lipstick. So I do like that they are sheer to like a buildable coverage. Again, very, very comfortable. I can't really say anything about the long lasting because this is my first time trying them, but I love the range. I love that they included a ton of wearable shades, but then you also have some like crazy fun out of the box shades. I like the fact that they have the glitter in them so you can kind of put them on top of different colors. So you can wear them layered over a lipstick or you can wear them by themselves. They are $20. And I love the fact that you have a packaging that you can see through. So as you can see, this one is like a red one, and this is the actual color of the gloss. Now, a couple of them can be a little bit deceiving because there was one that I thought was going to be a darker gloss and it ended up being like lighter. But again, I do love where it's clear where you can see it. I love the packaging. I think it's just nice and sleek. And then also you do have that very thin like duo-sided doe foot applicator, which is very bendable and flexible to get around your lips. Other than that, they are going to be available at Sephora, Ulta Beauty, select Macy's, and then of course at those online retail stores as well. Really do like them. I'm just like sitting here and like messing with my lips because they're just so dang comfortable. The only thing I would say is sometimes I'm not the biggest fan of that like pepperminty tingling feel on your lips. It's just like my lips are cold, so that's like the only con, because for me, I don't personally really like that. I think I don't really have that many glosses or lipsticks that do that, so I think I'm just not used to it. It just feels like my lips are like minty and tingly and cold. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. So I'll leave all the information down below, but again, thank you so much to Urban Decay for sending these over for me to try out. I hope that you guys like the lip swatches, and even after all those shades, my lips still feel fabulous. That's how you know they're good. So, all right, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!